5 healthy foods that will help you spend Ramadan comfortably. Before video starting, subscribe my channel. 1. Egg. Egg, known as the most quality protein. Egg is one of the foods that you can eat in sahur meals. Because egg can give a filling feeling for a long time thanks to its rich content. Egg might help keep your appetite in check by helping control blood sugar, so you can have a more comfortable and healthy fasting experience by eating eggs in sahur meals. 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is a highly nutritious food. Yogurt gives a long feeling of fullness. It is also known to help with sleep disorders. By eating protein-rich yogurt in sahur meals, you can spend your fasting day comfortably, and even balance your blood sugar by adding cinnamon in yogurt. 3. Banana. Banana is the most famous fruit, known for creating a feeling of being full. This popular fruit is also a real source of potassium. By eating 1 banana after your sahur meal, you can extend that feeling of being full and spend a comfortable fasting day. 4. Cheese. Cheese is a breakfast food which is rich in protein and can be eaten in sahur meals because it is very nutritious and helps you feel full for a long time. However, you can prefer salt-free cheese during Ramadan so that you don't get more thirsty. 5. Date. Date, which is often associated with Ramadan, is a highly nutritious food. It contains important minerals such as protein, folic acid, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and sodium. Also very rich in fructose. Date can be a healthy choice for sahur and iftar meals. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment. For more videos, subscribe my channel.